Right, people, today this is going to be a bit of a mad one. I have been using AI for a little while now, and we're just going to freestyle. I don't even know what we're going to build, but basically it's going to be a website. Don't know what type of sector it's going to be in, but we're going to use AI and all of the sort of techniques that I've been utilizing to build a business, and we're going to ask AI what business to build. Stick to the end so that you can see all of the techniques that I use on a day-to-day basis to help myself build obviously five-figure websites for my clients, and obviously speed up the process, and obviously come up with ideas a lot quicker. There's going to be a lot of off-the-cuff sort of ideas here. I might even find out some new techniques to utilize, but this is why it's going to be interesting. So stick around. Don't know how long this is going to be. Let's just get cracking. Right, the tools that I'm going to be using for this are literally just Midjourney and ChatGPT, and I pay for both of them because they literally help me so much. I'm going to be using a software called X-mind, which you will see. It just helps me formulate a structure. It's like a mind map sort of software. You'll see as we go along, and then obviously we're using Figma to design everything within it. There's also a template that you can clone if you join the Facebook group, which I will be building this whatever. I don't even know what type of website this is. Let's get cracking. Let's move over to my desktop screen and start off with ChatGPT. Right, so we're on ChatGPT 4, and now what we're going to do is we're going to ask, yo, ChatGPT, I'm making a AI designed company, and I want you to give me I want you to give me 5 great ideas for a business. Let's see what 5 great ideas they come up with, and we're going to be quick. We're just going to pick one. AI personalized education platform, AI health monitoring, boring. Nah, AI content creation. Let's restructure this. I want to say make these businesses super cool and exciting. I don't want these boring consulting AI. Now we're good. AI Superhero Academy, AI Personal Health Guardian, AI Creative Storyteller, AI Vocal Conductor. I like AI Superhero Academy. AI Green Guardian. What is this? Let's see the Academy one. Imagine a dynamic online learning platform where students are guided by AI superhero mentors. Each mentor designed according to the student's interest. Oh my god. Right, this is the one that we're going for. I love this idea. I'm going to put back in the idea that it's written, and then I'm going to say summarize the sector and the services I will offer. I want to get an idea for what we're going to be presenting on the website. Right, sector, edtech, education technology. Right. AI personalized learning paths. Every learner gets a personalized learning journey tailored to their unique strengths, weaknesses. Okay, so this is going to be sort of like a AI-powered website that off the cuff adjusts the learning platform based on the user's information. So if they're dumb, they're going to get easier courses. If they're smart, they're going to get harder courses. But I like the idea of AI Superhero Academy because we can come up with some cool designs for this. Right. Come up with 10 amazing, exciting tech brand names for AI Superhero Academy. I actually think AI Superhero Academy sounds good. Herogenics, Edu Avatars, Next Gen Heroes. Keep AI and Academy in the name. I think because they're going to be our keywords here. AI Avatar Academy, AI Hero Academy, AI Academy Heroes. Come up with 10 shorter names. AI Quest, AI Mentor, AI Learn, AI Genius. Let's go back to AI Superhero Academy, AI Academy, AI. These aren't cool enough, I'm just going to say. Oh, okay. Hero Tech AI, AI Hero X, Epic AI Academy, AI Hero Pulse, AI. I like AI Hero X. or Hero Tech AI? AI Hero Lab? I'm going to say I like these three and see what it comes up with next. See, this, I know it's taking a little bit longer than normally, but this is how I use ChatGPT. You're getting an idea. Like this is how I brainstorm. I don't just go with the first thing. I play with it. Name suggests a place of innovation. AI Hero Lab. Try more names like this. So you don't even have to spell right. AIX Hero. AIX Hero. AI Hero Nexus. I like that. No, I like AI Nexus Hero Academy. I just like AI Hero Academy. I'm gonna go back to ground zero. Right, let's come up with a H1 for my website hero that embodies the ethos of my service and what benefit the client will receive. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Unleash your potential with AI Hero Academy. Personalized learning supercharged by personalized learning supercharged. See, that just at the end is really good. Personalized learning supercharged by AI. Ooh. Unleash your potential. Yeah, I like this. I like personalized learning supercharged by AI. Personalize your learning with supercharged AI. That's great stuff, Claire. Personalize your learning supercharged by AI. See, it's giving a benefit to the user and then it's telling us what we do. So we supercharge the learning with AI. Now give me a paragraph underneath that goes into my services. This should be short, concise, and techie. Discover the future of education at AI Hero Academy. We offer... Nah, this needs to be shorter. Maximum of 20 words. Don't include my business name as it's already in the nav, because obviously it's going to be in the nav as a logo. Experience personalized learning revolutionized by AI. Embrace a bespoke educational journey with our own superhero mentors. Yes, okay, I like this. I like personalize your learning with supercharged AI, and I like the name AI Hero Academy. Personalize your learning supercharged by AI. Okay. Brand name is this. H1 Hero H1 is this, and then the Hero P1 is this. I'm gonna say save this information for the next questions. So we've got a H1 or P1. Yeah, look, it's got this. Nice. Come up with an exciting CTA button I can use throughout the site. Let's see what it comes up with. Strong call to action. Consider embark on your AI journey now. Oh, it should be something like the CTA will be a meeting with an expert superhero AI. See, again, I'm not spelling things like, I'm just meet your superhero AI today. AI Hero Academy. Embark on your AI journey now. Meet your superhero AI today. Let's try 10 more CTAs. Start your hero journey now. I like that. Book your AI mentor today. Let's use this one. This is the CTA I choose. Okay, let's go over to Discord and we're going to copy. Let's come up with a prompt that's going to come up with like a cool image. Right, AI Hero, I mean, we've already got it here. AI Hero teaching students in an academy. And now, whilst that's loading, let's come back over to ChatGPT and ask, now add the CTA to my hero struct. Let's copy this, just so that we can keep things nice and clean. Brand name, yes. Hero 1, P1, and then we've got CTA. Right, now, suggest the best colors for this for this company. No, let's say for this brand. See, that's still loading. Blue and silver, purple and white. I like green and black, turquoise and grey. Okay. Let's drop in the name AI Hero. Let's get into Figma now. See, we've got a structure here, the landing page builder template I told you about. We're gonna copy this over. Now, what this template is it's all of the best sections that you need within your website to obviously have a high converting site, and you can see all of the crucial tips and why you want to have these sections. So it's going to be a perfect landing ground for us to basically build this website. Let's use AI to suggest the best font pairing for a tech education platform, for an AI-based tech education platform. What fonts is it going to suggest? Let's check this out. Roboto and Open Sans. So let's see what Roboto looks like. Okay, that's a good, yeah, I like it. We can work with this. Put the pair, let's bring it a little bit together. Do we want Roboto mono, or do we want, what sort of, I like the slab face kind of. What would be a better font? So it's giving us quite a techie font, which is good. I think we'll stick with the mono, to be honest. Don't think we need the full stop here. Let's copy in the heading. Open Sans. Let's see what the Open Sans looks like for the... Yeah, it's kind of like... Yeah, it's like a blast from the past sort of tech. Supercharged. Let's see what this looks like. Personalize your learning. Supercharged with AI. Yeah, with AI. Okay. Personalize your learning. Personalized learning supercharged with AI. That's a little bit better. And let's do that. Let's give it a little bit more spacing. Wanna make the logo Roboto. Let's get this AI Hero Company. Let's make this 22. Okay, and I think Roboto would be good for the call to action as well, which we're gonna drop in here. And then we're gonna grab a P1, drop that in as well. Okay, let's space this out a little bit more. Let's look at what we got. Okay, I think it's a little bit too cartoony. I think let's give it a style. So it's always good to see where it's going to go with first, and then let's uber realistic black background, green, let's use teal hints and tones. Let's let that load in, and yeah, I think this is gonna go, I'm gonna go for a dark background here. So I am gonna use some whites and blacks. Let's get the background black. Let's get this one black as well. Let's get the fonts. Yeah, there we go. And then I always like to make the secondary font a little bit darker, and then we want to suggest hex codes for a dark website with teal hues. See what it suggests. Okay, these are better. It's a little bit scary, isn't it? But let's get version. Oh, I like this one on here. Version 2. Let's go for version 2. The other ones look like that the robot's going to beat the crap out of their children, to be honest. Right, what hex have you given us? Right, dark background. It's given a deep charcoal. Let's take this charcoal for the background here. Okay, I'm liking that. A little bit nicer than the other one. Let's take the accent teal for this button. Okay. Alright. I just realised we've completely used the wrong site. That's fine. Let's just go back to here, unlink that, put that there. Let's use the dark charcoal for here and here. And then what whites are we using? Light grey. Okay, we've got our pure white, which we're obviously going to be using for this. And then we've got a light grey that is suggested as well. Let's change all of the light greys to that. Same with the nav bar. Let's unlink that. There we go. I'm going to make this pure white for it to stand out. And then we're going to use the charcoal grey as the font there. Let's actually boost this up to 22. Okay, let's see which one. Okay, I like this one here because he's got the glasses on. He looks like he knows what he's talking about. Let's upscale number 3. Then let's add in Hero Academy here. Let's hug that. Let's change the colour of this. Yeah, bosh. Let's pull this over. I'm going to pull this in. We might change it. I'm just playing a little bit here. So let's save this image. I'm going to copy this into Figma. Right. What we got here? Let's put this into the background. Let's remove that. Let's remove the image. Let's grab that. That's gone to the back of the page. Actually, just one. Right, this is what we'll do. We're going to pull that over here. And then we're going to have like a fade in black on top of that. Let's put that behind. And then let's add like an oval. Let's add like a linear. Yeah. Let's add that there. Bosh, bosh, bosh. And then we're going to crop this. Make this a little bit bigger. So it fades. Yeah, bad boy. Look at that. Here we go. We're getting somewhere now. We're getting a little somewhere now. I want to fade it just a little bit more. Get that transition nice. I mean, this is the scary world of AI, isn't it? I'm kind of making like a Doom version of this, but I like it, man. I like it. I like where we're going with it. I want to get these gone. Let's hug this. I'll make this a bit bigger. Fit, crop. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Right. We want to take the CTA and put this up here as well. We've already got one up here, so we're going to copy the edging of that. And then we're going to copy the color. Right. Copy the CTA into there. Right. What sort of pages would we have? And I think that we should change this AI. Let's change these. Okay, I've worked out the kind of design what's going on here, but I don't like the dark. I want to use this charcoal on the background of this. I think that's going to look a lot cleaner personally. So we grab that. Yeah, that looks much nicer. And I think we've got a rich black here. That might look better on the nav bar. No, I think that's a little bit too dark. I'm just going to edit this myself. Pull that. Yeah, there we go. In fact, we could use it from the suit. No, I think that works well. Okay, AI Hero Academy. Yeah, that's nice. I think we're rolling with something here, boys. Okay, actually, I think that this is more of a stroke sort of website instead of having a fill. I think personally, I think it'd be nice to have that. Yeah, that's much better. Let's give it a little border radius as well. I think a 4 pixel radius. Let's put that up to 6. Let's put it up to 8. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now, I want to give this like a glow. I think this would work well. See, this is the thing. Now we've got the image and everything. We can give it we know what we're playing with, innit? So we can yeah, look at that. We can really play with the idea because I can see the images on the right. I've got a few ideas we can take with this. 50. So let's go 75. There we go. Yeah. We need to copy in the paragraph because I realised I'd done it to the wrong one. That's going to beef that out a little bit as well. Always 3 lines looks better. Just want to space this a little bit more. Nah, I think that looks good there. Yeah, let's see what this white's looking like. It's giving us a light grey. Let's see what this section looks like if we use the light grey for that. I don't particularly like that, to be honest. And in fact, I'm coming back to this. I know I'm being particular, but I want to give the gradient an angle. I just think that looks a little bit cleaner. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, I think actually this alternating section should go from, yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. Right. Using this style. So what is the next section? Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm going to say, give me 4 sections to my website. No, what have we got here? We've got the problem and solution. Okay, yeah, we've got a problem and solution section, as you can see in my style guide. I'm going to say, I have a problem and solution section that sits under my hero. I want you to come up with a H1, a P2, and a CTA. No, I'm not going to need a CTA because we've already got that. Let's see if it comes up with a H1 and a P2. Transforming education through AI. Traditional education often follows a one-size-fits-all approach. Right. The heading should tell the user an interesting solution. I think it should be like speeding up learning should be the selling point, I think. That's what I personally think. If we're using AI education, accelerate your learning with AI superheroes. I actually think that's better for the, yeah, I think that's better for the actual. See, here we go. Accelerate your learning with AI superhero. Let's type in AI heroes. Yeah, accelerate your learning with AI heroes. Now give me a problem most people face as a heading, because the hero is going to have like the solution to the problem, but then showing people the problem that people normally run into in the second section is going to be. It's going to make them easier to agree with you. So tired of one size fits all education. Let's see this. Let's see if this works. Let's copy in. Let's fill that. Let's pose this as a question. One size. Make this heading more AI related. Should have something more techie in language, I think. Traditional education. I want to shorten this. Shorten this paragraph to quarter of the size and add 3 short bullet points that summarize the solutions we offer. And now while that works, what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this link, and then we're going to come up with, right, imagine textbook that is teaching a student through the use of superhero AI. And then I'm going to give the link so it has a reference, and then let's see what it comes up with after we get this. Okay, here we go. Break free from one size fits all experience. Here we go. We've got a nice little paragraph here. Let's copy that. Let's see what we've got here. Let's see what we're working with. We've got some bullet points here. These are nice. We've got to come up with some icons. AI powered personalization. Here we go. Let's pop these in here. Bold that. Nah, so we'd have the teal. I think we'd use the teal here again for the boldings. That'd look nice. Shorten the bullet points. These should be snappy. What we got here? Well, we just come up with the same thing, kind of like before. Let's try textbook that is teaching student through the use of superhero AI, and then we'll copy the style that I had here. Realistic black background, uber realistic black. Yeah, there we go. See what that comes up with. Okay, nice. Here's some nice bullet points, nice and short and snappy. Like they look like you want to read them, if you get what I mean. Okay, let's bold that, and then give it the teal of here. And do you know what the great thing is we can just use the copy the web flow. We've got basically a website started up. Like, I know I'm taking my sweet time about this, but we're coming up with a business that I haven't even heard of before, like an AI education system that tailors its education to you. And obviously, ChatGPT's just come out with a coding system that helps you to code. So we'll be able to maybe code this website, like actually come up with a custom solution for it. I like my bullet points never ever to stack over. Uber realistic AI textbook, glowing teal with black background. See what that comes up with. Okay, but I'm liking the style here. As you can see, it's coming up with like a nice design system that I haven't seen before. It's come up with like a nice font that is techie, and it's learning. It's kind of like a typewriter font, innit? And then it's black, it's cool, it's in that like sort of new age sort of look. We've got some nice fonts. In fact, let's copy this CTA over to here. Hello, let me copy that button group. There we go. Oh, here we go. Look at these. This is what I was talking about. I wanted something that looked super, super cool, like you wanted to open it. Like The Secret. Which one looks more like a book? I think this one down here looks like a book. So version 3. Come up with some more versions of that. Accelerate your learning with our AI Academy. Accelerate your learning database. No, with our AI Academy database. Nah, let's leave it how it is. I like that. Okay, right. I like number 1. Let's upscale number 1. It's got a UAEEEE. We could obviously take that into Photoshop and then edit that, but we're not going to because we ain't got time for this session right now. But if we crop this. We'll put that over there. Bruh, this is looking kind of epic, you know. Again, let's utilize these fades. That is cool. That is cool. See, in Photoshop, what I tend to do, what I'd like to do is obviously make this a little bit. Maybe we can just have that. Yeah, you know what? Let's go. No, I like it. I like it how it's just floating there. I know an easy way to get it to, without having to go into Photoshop. But obviously, if we were exporting to a website, you'd wanna do this properly. But what we're gonna do is use the fades. This is just an easy, quick way to get an idea of what the website should look like. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to hex this as well. Yeah, there we go. So we've got this teal going on. We've got this nice... Oh yeah, that looks cool. Right. I think I played with this enough. I think that's enough for section 1. I think we're going to do a part 2 of this. And we're going to look at what else we can utilize. I'm just brainstorming here. This is just going to be a series. I don't know how long I'll go on for. I think I'm going to utilize a bit of that Photoshop regenerative AI. I might look at some other copywriting tools to get the copywriting just right. And then I actually might start looking at AI for coding. And maybe we can come up with some kind of coded element to add to this education platform. But look, we started from ground zero with nothing and we've already got an idea for something. So part 2, we're probably going to strategize just a little bit more now that we've got the idea. But you can see, just on the basis of like using a couple of tools, we've come up with a business. So there you go. Stay tuned for part 2 if you're interested.